Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Timex Retrograde Watch. This is going to be a rather unusual model compared to others that you might find out there. In case you have a different configuration, so you have the date window at 3 o'clock or a date complication, so both the day of the week and the day of the month, but in a date window right here rather than you would see right here inside the dial when it comes to the retrograde. I would definitely recommend to check out the links in the description box below because I'm going to leave links to these as well. But in case you have this particular model, it is going to be a lot different compared to the other ones. So the three subdials that we have right here is going to be the subdial for military time. So this is going to be for the 24-hour display. Then we have the day of the month, and then we have the day of the week. Now, something really important is to know that if you were to pull the crown to the first position in order to set the date, you will only be able to set the day of the month. So in order to set the day and date correctly on this particular model, we are first going to set the day of the week, and we are going to set it to 1 day prior to our actual end goal, and then set the day of the month and also 1 day prior. So let me show you what I'm going to do. So if I were to pull the crown to the last position and I'm going to rotate, so I'm going to go past 12 o'clock, you'll be able to see that at this exact moment at 12 o'clock, the day of the month is going to change. And then between 12 and 3 o'clock, the day of the week is going to change. So I'm going to arrive on Friday. So let's presume that my end goal is going to be to make it Monday, the 10th. What I want to do is to have the date on Sunday, the 9th. So what I first want to do, as I mentioned, is to set the day of the week. And I do that by going forward, so after 4 o'clock, and then go backwards before 12 o'clock, since we do not have a quick set date system. As you can see, the date now changed to Saturday. Now I'm going to go once again before 12 o'clock, and then go past 4 o'clock. And now, as you can see, I have arrived on Sunday. So the day of the week is set correctly. Now the next step is going to be to set the day of the month to the 9th in order to then arrive on the 10th. So I'm going to push the crown all the way back in, pull the crown to the first position, and now, as you can see, if I rotate in a clockwise direction, nothing happens. But if I rotate counterclockwise, so in an opposite direction, the day of the month is going to change. So now I have the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, the 9th, and now I'm going to leave it on the 9th. So now I have Sunday and the 9th, which is going to be 1 day prior to my end goal, which is going to be Monday, the 10th. Now I'm going to pull the crown to the last position, and I want to go with the watch hands manually past 12 o'clock until the date changes. Nothing happened because we were AM, and now since I'm going to get close to midnight, the day of the month is going to change, and I have arrived on the 10th, and now the day of the week is going to jump to Monday. Just like that. And now I know that I am on the 10th and it is 5 a.m. So it is 5 a.m. in the morning and it is a Monday. Now if I want to make it p.m., I'm going to go past 12 o'clock once again. And as you can see, the date did not change. I am still on the 10th and it is also a Monday. And now I can make it 5 p.m. So 5 in the afternoon. So guys, this is a very particular model, and I'm pretty sure that many of you had the problem with setting the day of the week because it is very hard to keep on spinning until you set them correctly, so to align both of them. This is going to be something very particular to this model, but in case you have the other two, make sure to check out the links in the description box below. In order to finalize the process, I'm going to push the crown all the way back in, and voila, I have correctly and safely set the time and date on this Timex Retrograde. Now, something really important is to know that this is going to be something that you're going to apply only to this particular model, but for others that have a quick set for the day of the week, you are going to use the crown, and I have a full guide for those as well. In case you want to watch the full guide with how to replace the watch battery, how to replace the strap on this particular model, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And in case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Also, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.